Hi, in front of me is OUKITEL WP23 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to open your device's keyboard and tap on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, click on this gear instead. Now select voice typing and click on the gray sweater next to use voice typing to activate it. Following that, go back to your keyboard and tap on no visible microphone. Then tap on while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to switch it off, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!